A little noisy here. I'm actually on the Brooklyn Promenade. You can see there's the BQE below me. But you can see out that water behind me is the East River. It goes all the way up to Harlem, past Harlem actually to the Bronx. And there's the first major crossing that wasn't a ferry, obviously the Brooklyn Bridge. And this river goes down into the bay, which is down here. That's Governor's Island, where I started all this Michigas. And it's actually not a river, it's a tidal strait. And it is fed by Long Island Sound, which would be up this way, and the open ocean, which is fed down that way. There's a lot of currents, and it changes tidal pools and pulls and so forth more than once a day. It's 16 miles long, and all of it is navigable, including the most difficult part, which is actually up by the Upper East Side, and that's called Hellgate. Hellgate used to have a giant rock in it, which meant that it was a hazard to navigation, and one of the largest commercial explosions in history happened when the city of New York exploded Hellgate rock, making that free for navigation. But still to this day, it's a very difficult area to get through, because that's where the water from through the Spite and Dival and the Sound and what is called the East River all meet at Hellgate. So it's a pretty tricky place to get around. There was once a joke on Letterman about saying there's no more burial space available in New York City, and I think that's actually true. But the joke was, what, the East River is full?